You see it?
Shoot something right now. Making me wait.
Oh yeah.
Josh's boat lights on.
I'm in my wader, so
Man,
I'm gonna try to just get in and in the
He's
water.
so excited to push you off in the water. Well, what do you think of opening season?
Hadn't been the best.
Somebody wanna? Who's ever got muck boots on? Where? Right here on the side or where? Hey, Tony's gonna hand the. Yep. Take them. Take them. Come down. That's why I said take them, baby. There's two. All right. Come.
Oh, they're fine.
Did we kill one?
No.
Oh, really? Holy shit.
Hey, stop and then hit record again. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, oh, right. Out front. That's a fucking greenhead. I wounded that motherfucker too.
Oh, motherfucker.
Fuck!
I hate this goddamn thing.
Because I was just blasting in the big group before. I think spinners are a waste of money.
I'm starting. Well, so
everyone buys them.
On
big water in
water,
certain
sure.
areas they're great, but
This is decent.
I was
big
talking to
water.
them yesterday, and I think it's because we ain't got no pressure here at all.
I would wipe it. At least get the crusty off of it.
There ain't no crusty on it. Everything's brand new.
The crusty's on the other side.
Make it start to burn.
I like it a little bit.
I like mine not. I like mine. We're gonna have to go through and find BBs in that one. This one.
I love this.
We're gonna have to go through the BBs and pick the meat off.
Oh,
Oh! Hey, Tyler.
I hope we got enough propane.
Dude, I've got an adapter with me.
That'll work with this kind of stuff?
Yeah, does that take the little green ones?
Nope.
We'll throw my buddy heater on the side and just go to town.
Right on the grate.
Hold on.
How the hell did you get the bone?
Yeah.
I need to get this bacon off of here. At least getting crispy.
Oh, y'all are pointed over there. No wonder it's fucking cold over here. Yeah, come to.
well, you got a fucking frying pan right in his lap.